Hi Hellemimps. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you 7 indoor plants that can make your indoor air clean and what health benefits these plants give you. This is heartleaf philodendron, also called philodendron caudatum. They have distinctive heart-shaped leaves on a climbing stem. Immature leaves are reddish-bronze in color and deepen to green with time. This plant removes airborne toxins and increases daytime oxygen. It is known for purifying indoor air. It removes airborne formaldehyde, an industrial toxin found in cleaning products in manufactured furniture that causes respiratory distress. It also increases oxygen levels in your home through natural respiration. Rubber plant has oval-shaped large green leaves with central rib. It purifies the air and removes airborne formaldehyde, an industrial toxin found in cleaning products in manufactured furniture that causes respiratory distress. Pothos plants grow in vines with heart-shaped leaves. This plant filters benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from indoor air. These toxins are found in cleaning products and manufactured furniture that can cause headaches, respiratory problems, and risk of cancer. Spider plant leaves have stripes and narrow. It can have children on long, trailing shoots. It's been named spider plant because of these little children that resemble baby spiders hanging on webs. This plant traps and removes particulate matter, dust, mold and smoke by trapping them in leaf wax. This plant filters benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and toluene from indoor air. These toxins are found in cleaning products and manufactured furniture that can cause headaches, respiratory problems, and risk of cancer. Snake plant has elongated, spear-like and firm leaves, often with yellow variegation on the sides. It removes airborne toxins, eases aches and pains, and promotes healthy skin. It also effectively filters airborne pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, toluene and ammonia from indoor air. These toxins are found in cleaning products and manufactured furniture that can cause headaches, respiratory problems and risk of cancer. The leaves can be boiled as a holistic medicine for pain relief and treat skin irritation. Peace lily has deep green, lance-like, and upright leaves. The spadix is surrounded by a white spade. It removes airborne toxins and increases daytime oxygen. It filters air, and capable of removing airborne mold, which helps alleviate allergies and asthma symptoms. It also effectively filters benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, toluene and ammonia from indoor air. These toxins are found in cleaning products and manufactured furniture that can cause headaches, respiratory problems and risk of cancer. You can also place the plant in bathroom to help reduce molds. ZZ plant has oval leaflets borne on leaves. This plant improves indoor air quality by filtering benzene, toluene and xylene that contribute to frequent headaches, dizziness, respiratory problems, asthma, allergies and other issues related to indoor pollutants.